Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the warranty status of your ThinkPad X13s laptop. The easiest way to check your device's warranty is to use the pre-installed Lenovo Vantage application, and I'm pretty sure that you have it on your laptop unless you have manually uninstalled it, because this software is basically it comes with the Windows image. That is the only Windows image that you can install on this laptop. Unfortunately, it doesn't support a stock Windows image, but if you either somehow manage to install the stock Windows image on this laptop, or you have manually uninstalled the Lenovo Vantage application, then you can still download it from either the Microsoft Store or from the internet, basically from the official Lenovo website. But either way, just search for it first. So search for Lenovo Vantage, and once you find it, in my case it's commercial Vantage, once you find it, you'll be able to instantly check your device's warranty status. So in my case, it's expired. Here we can check the start date, and here we can check the end date, and we can also check the warranty options in this menu. And in the device section, we can also do the same thing basically. So yeah, that's how you check the warranty status for your device. And on their official website, you'll be able to check all the warranty information. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.